Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Coco Styles. And in today's video, I'm just going to be making a quick alkaline breakfast. I decided just to tape it for you guys. So what I am going to be using in this video is simple ingredients that most of you guys probably already have, which are some red potatoes. I'm sorry guys, not potatoes. I'm hungry. Some purple onions or red onions, or whatever you guys call it. Some bell peppers, some Roma tomatoes, and some Burro bananas. And I usually make this when I'm getting ready for work. It's really, really simple. Burro bananas are really good. They taste almost like home fries. So this is like my version of a vegan home fries without using actual potatoes. So I usually just cut up some green peppers and red peppers and tomatoes and stuff and just kind of make like a stir fry with it. And season up the the bananas. These bananas they can be eaten many, many ways. I know some people make them into mashed potatoes. I'm not really a fan of that, but as far as French fries, yes. Home fries, yes. You can even make them like sweet bananas. So I'm just going to season them up with my seasoning that I always use, like onion powder and probably some cayenne, some oregano, some sea salt, some pepper, and probably, let me see what else that I put in here. Probably maybe a hint of garlic. I don't really use garlic as much as I used to, but maybe a hint of garlic in here. And like I said, this is something that I make in the morning really, really quick before I start work. And it's quick. I just kind of plop everything into a pot and let it steam down. And maybe like a good 15 minutes. 15 minutes, it should be done. And I put the top on the pot, let it steam down. And that's my breakfast. It fills me up to my lunchtime, which is probably about 12 o'clock. But between that time, I do eat like some snacks and stuff. But yes, so here I am putting all my seasoning on that I use on a daily basis. And then I'm going to probably stick this into the pot and let it cook down. So I'm taking it over to the pot and just going to let it sit in there for a while I end up making my smoothie for the morning. So, well, it's not really a smoothie. I consider this like my alkaline milk. So this is going to be strawberry milk that I'm going to be making. So this is just my regular, actually this is the largest NutriBullet cup. So I have some walnuts in there and I just poured in some hemp seeds. And those are my two staple products when I make any form of milk. So if it's chocolate milk, if it's strawberry milk, or just regular plain white milk. I always add Seamoss in there for my minerals and keep that on standby. I think I told you guys in the last video that when I store my Seamoss in my refrigerator, I usually don't put a top on it. I just put like an aluminum foil on top of it and I poke holes in it. I read this a while ago that since Seamoss is living, it should still be able to breathe. So I've been doing it, no issues with it. And try it out. Try it out. Don't put a top on it because you may end up getting like some little funky smell if you put a top on it, but maybe it should be breathing. So I'm just putting in a little bit of agave. Seems like a lot. I don't like sweet things, so this is definitely not a lot of sweetness that I'm putting in here. And I usually add some ice in here also so I could make sure that it's really, really, really cold. That's the only way I will drink it. I didn't really drink milk when I was not a vegan, so in order for me to drink this and it's white, I have to put a lot of ice in it. And then I'm just going to add some spring water. I think I told you guys before, I order my spring water from my local spring water company. I think everyone should try that instead of buying their water from their local supermarket. Find a local spring water company in your area and just and order it from them. So I'm adding some strawberries because again I said this is strawberry milk. So try it out. I just tried this out one day and it came out really, really good. So I'm gonna blend this up in my NutriBullet and let you guys see what the outcome is. It's so yummy. It's so simple. I have my minerals and everything in it. and I'm good to go. So try it out. Your kids will love it. So here it is. You guys will see the finished product, and this is my quick alkaline strawberry milk. This milk is so yummy, guys. Try it out and let me know what you guys think when you try it out. Comment in the comment section, and maybe you guys can come up with other ideas for me to do as far as what else I can drink. So my food is ready. It took about 15 minutes. Actually, no, my food is not ready yet. It's still cooking. This is my avocado. My avocado, I used to hate avocado, guys. Like, honestly, this is why I know it's mental. I used to hate it. I used to hate it. I used to hate it. But this avocado was so ready that I think I dropped the seed. And it's probably going to happen in a second. Or it already happened. Or maybe I cut it out. I don't know. But this avocado is so ripe and so ready. I just can't wait to eat it. And I usually have this with any breakfast bananas that I have. If I have like toast, or if I eat like kamut or anything, I always have avocado on the side. It's just something that I just keep in I always keep it in my home. So I'm just trying to get every piece of bit of avocado out of here. Do not waste your avocado, guys. Those things can become really expensive. So this is it. And I usually just put like a little bit of salt and like sea salt and a little bit of pepper, and I'm good to go. Not too much because my actual bananas already have a lot of seasoning. So there you go. It's finished. And this is amazing. Honestly, guys, you can take Burro bananas and use them if you make like any Spanish dishes. If you want them sweet, you can let them get sweet. If you make a Jamaican dish and you want like green plantains, you can do it all. But this is it. This is my breakfast, and this is what I eat for breakfast when I'm in like a rush or something. I do work from home 100% of the time, but this was quick and easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed it and try it out. And let me know what you think. See you in the next one.